Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're doing my brother's GTI. We bought a Borla S Type for it. And it's completely stock right now. So, actually start it up. Let's hear sounds. Start it up. So you can get it before.
It actually doesn't sound bad stock. It's just a little
sport.
quiet. Put it in sport.
Alright, now I gotta take out this brace. It's just 4 13mm bolts. And this is a brand new car, only has like 6,000 miles on it, so no rust, no nothing. Comes off easy.
What are these?
It is adjustable though. I like that where you can adjust it because if the tips don't fit right on whatever exhaust you get, you can kind of move it.
Alright, so now we got the mounts off. It's probably best, unless you have stands to hold the exhaust up, you get a couple friends or something.
All right, ready?
Yeah.
Slide her out.
That is a huge resonator. That was my favorite part, what it sounds like without an exhaust at all. Now, in case anybody's curious on what it sounds like with just cats in, but no exhaust at all. That sounds pretty cool.
This is filled up.
Alright, now the resonator piece is going on. Alright, so now we are just putting everything together just so we can kind of get like a rough estimate of how everything's going to sit. We'll kind of adjust everything afterwards, make sure the tips sit right in here.
Right and right.
And like the housing, they sit right.
Alright.
This
This is still not adjusted yet.
Hold on.
Update.
It looks better.
Exhaust is on. Now everything's in. We're just lining up the tips right now, and then we're going to tighten everything down, check for any exhaust leaks once we start it up, and then you guys get to hear how it sounds. Pretty straightforward install. It was literally like, what, we have 4 clamps, 3 hangers,
now,
that's it.
record this part. So now, Sal, you're going to have to hold it like where we're going to keep it like that. Alright, now Sal, holding the exhaust where I want it, so now I'm going to tighten it down. Alright. Everything's tightened down, everything's installed. Let's start it up. Finished the install. Now we're gonna take it for a drive. We'll get some outside shots, some inside shots. We lined up the exhaust tips pretty close. Probably not perfect. Nobody's gonna notice when you're driving.
Oh, that actually looks really even.
Yeah. Alright, so this is a 6-speed manual, so you're not gonna get the DSG farts that everybody loves. But this is just normal driving, sport mode. Sounds pretty good. Definitely a big difference for a Catback. Alright, now it'll do our our first pull. We'll do first gear. Sounds pretty good. Yeah, it definitely sounds really good, actually.
Yeah, I like the sound a lot.
And it doesn't drone. Eco mode. The
It's even
sound back
quieter.
definitely a big thumbs up.
All right, so we're gonna get him to drive off normally, just to see what it sounds like going normal, and then he's gonna give it full throttle leaving. We're in the middle of nowhere. Boy, you thought you were gonna scare me?
Guys, well, that's the end of the video. I hope you guys liked it, and I would recommend it if you want something a little bit louder. I'd definitely recommend the Borla Type S exhaust. Very easy installation, probably one of the fastest installations we've had. Probably like, what, an hour and a half, not even. Other than that, like and subscribe, turn on post notifications too, and we'll see you guys in the next video.